What's up, Team Buckhouse? I'm Johnathan Buckhouse, and in today's video I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you, yes you, are hurting your snowboard progression, hurting yourself from getting better at snowboarding. So let's jump into it. First 2. Alright, so reason number 1 why you're hurting your snowboarding, why you can't get better at snowboarding, is you're snowboarding too fast. Oh, I'm snowboarding so fast. Nobody can't even catch up. I'm too fast. I'm just fast down the mountain. So there's a chance if you're watching this video, you already know how to S-turn, you can get down the mountain. You're feeling good, so you're snowboarding really, really fast. But when you're going really fast, you can't slow down and learn things. When you learn a new trick, when you learn something new with snowboarding, you do not want to be hauling. You want to be at a slow, controlled pace. Something that gives you time to react. So if you're going to be doing snowboard butters, you want to go at like a medium pace so you can just bust out tricks as well as find side hits on the mountain. If you're going too fast, you probably missed this awesome jump right here, which is not going to allow you to practice jumping in the air, learning 180s, doing butters. So slow down, stop just hauling, screaming, flying down the runs. The second reason why you're not getting better at snowboarding, and this might make some of you guys mad, but you're not treating it like a sport. Snowboarding is a sport, at least if you want to get good at it. End the day. So when you're getting super high in the parking lot or drinking 3 beers before you hit the slopes, none of that is going to help you get better at snowboarding. As well as, honestly, and I actually had to get in shape myself, but being in better shape, being healthier. This is a sport. We're out here doing physical activities. We're jumping in the park. We're doing butters. We're doing carves. Like, you need to be in shape for that. Now, I'm not saying don't enjoy a beer or don't have good relaxed days on the mountain, because that is important, but if you want to progress, think of snowboarding like a sport. Eat better, maybe don't drink or smoke on the mountain, get in shape. All of that is going to help you be a better snowboarder.
I got some beers in the RV. We can get some B-roll to dub over us, like shotgunning beers.
Let's drink a beer after, yeah. Reason number 3 why you're hurting your snowboarding is you have a closed mind. You're just like, I don't ride the park. I only ride runs. I only ride the trees. Bumps for me only. You got to knock that off. If you want to be the best snowboarder out there, you got to be open-minded and willing to ride every type of terrain. Whether that's powder. I know people that hate riding in powder. Moguls, a lot of snowboarders say, I hate riding in the moguls. Once you learn the proper body positions, and you learn that by doing a lot of this stuff, how to rip moguls, how to get in the park, progress safely. I make a bunch of videos on that too, so subscribe. But every aspect of snowboarding is going to help you be a better snowboarder. So if you want to throw 360s, coming out here and learning how to carve will help you do your setup turn for your 360. As well as if you want to hit jumps, hitting side hits will help you hit jumps, but also hitting jumps will help you hit side hits a lot bigger. So it all feeds each other. Being good in the park will help you be better on the runs. Being better on the runs will help you be better in the park. So go out there and snowboard everything, guys. Everything with snowboarding is fun to rip, even moguls. Normally we ride around and everything, but it's Christmas week and the run's super busy, and this is a nice quiet spot. So we're gonna stay here in our quiet spot. There we go. Bonus reason, you don't have an evolution sticker. Make sure you guys have an evolution sticker. If you're a skier and for some reason watching this video, we have ski versions of the evolution sticker. But snag the merch, throw it on your helmet, let everyone know you're part of Team Buckhouse. It does support the dream. It's how I do it for the living as well. And if you do snag any of the merch, just tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, and then just follow the Instagram and the TikTok for bonus extra content, because we're crushing it on those platforms. So reason number 4 why you're hurting your progression, everything with your snowboarding, is you're riding the wrong gear. A lot of people think like, oh, I'm gonna ride a really small snowboard so I can do 360s better or butter better, or I'm gonna ride a big board to help me in pow, or I don't want to ride camber because it's too stiff, but I want to be able to throw a 10. And that was my thing. Using the proper gear for your proper weight, your proper body, what you want to do with snowboarding. Like if you want to carve, you should be on a camber snowboard. Being in the proper gear, learning what gear you should use will help you be a better snowboarder. That was one of my biggest things. I was getting good at snowboarding and I was like, man, I don't even know what a snowboard profile is. That doesn't matter. Put me on a snowboard and I'm gonna rip. I was wrong about that. Put me on a camber snowboard and I'll be a better snowboarder. snowboarder. So make sure you're on the proper gear for what you want to do with snowboarding, but also for your weight, your size. All these myths of like a smaller snowboard's gonna make me land a 720. You might be able to spin a 720, but land it? I don't know, you might wash out. Bloop. And the last tip, the final tip, and this is a big one. This and one of the hardest ones to get, to find, to have a friend that is better than you at snowboarding. Having someone that's gonna make you go ride a black diamond run, or to go in the park, or tell you to like, hey, try this trick with me, or hey, we should do this, is gonna help you be a better snowboarder. They're gonna push you out of your comfort zone, obviously within reason. My buddy Benton is always talking me into doing something I'm like, oh, this is borderline scary, but he helps me become a better snowboarder. My filmer Cody holding the camera, I'm constantly being like, yo dude, maybe you should try this, maybe you should try that, think about this, and it helps him become better at snowboarding. So find a friend. I know that's hard. Hopefully this channel can help when I drop these tips. Go out and think about this stuff. But the other thing is, in the park you can find, like, if you went up to me like, yo, you're really good at snowboarding, can I just hang out with you for the day? I'd be like, I'm making YouTube videos, but sure, you can tag along. Like, try to make friends on the mountain that are better than you, and I promise you that's gonna help you be better at snowboarding. But with all that being said, I know you guys are still mad about the don't drink and smoke weed when you snowboard, but trust me, if you want to get better, it's one of the things. But with all of that, I don't know everything about snowboarding. I've just been doing it for 13 years and I have a pretty good idea. So if you have another reason that's slowing people down from getting better at snowboarding, or you don't agree, whatever, let's have a conversation. Comment down below what you're thinking. If you like this video, smash the like button. And with all that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with me today, getting talked to today. Stop drinking. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.